I'm glad to be here today because the opening of this new venture, it is an adventure by Mr. Shiu Raj and his group and his family at a time when Rakiraki and the province of Ra needs a boost in economic activities to replace the closed down sugar mill that has been closed for some time now, laying off so many workers and having an impact on the economy of the town and the province. The setting up and today the opening of this new supermarket will be a most welcome injection into the economy of the area. We congratulate Mr. Shiu Raj, a former minister, a well-known businessman, a true son of the Vanua, who has been with you for many, many years, who has contributed to the economy, not only of the province but of the country for so many years. We congratulate him for taking on yet another adventure, bringing to fruition his dream of setting up this supermarket, which will bring together all sorts of services and sales for you, the people of Rakiraki. The last census put the population of Ra province just above 30,000, almost equally divided between men and women, gentlemen and ladies. So we need to, as we were reminded last week, to be conscious of our efforts to balance up the gender and their treatment in our country. Last week, the world celebrated CEDAW, or the Convention on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women. And leaders in the Pacific congregated at the Pacific Islands Forum headquarters in Cuba. The chairlady of the committee responsible for this part of the world came all the way from New York to be with them. I was honored to open that workshop. In that workshop, they dealt with the many issues that we are facing, particularly in the Pacific region, where our culture, for a very long time, has been responsible for the not so well, not so good treatment of our ladies. For us, it's a cultural effort to be kind to our women folk, to our mothers, our sisters, our daughters. And we have tried, and we're doing very well. But the question has always arisen, why do we not have more women in Parliament? When you look at the population of Ra, it's almost half men and half women. That means the voter population in Fiji is almost half men and half women. Why can't more women vote for women candidates and increase their numbers in Parliament? Now that's politics. When you're right here, down to road level, opening a new supermarket. And I believe when it's open, you'll find that there will be more women employed by Mr. Shiu Raj. If that doesn't happen, let me know and I'll come and close the shop again. We never level. But it is an opportunity for more women of Rakiraki of Ra, and in fact from around the world. The men of Ra are so attractive that women from around Fiji tend to congregate into Ra. So our women folk will be taking up jobs in this new supermarket. As I said, it will be a great boost for the economy of Rakiraki, of Ra, and of Fiji as a whole. So we celebrate today. Although it's Holy Week, I don't normally drink Yangwana, but I've had to make an exception for today. It's a special day, it's a special occasion. And as we continue with this Holy Week, we celebrate sacrifice. We celebrate sacrifice. We celebrate the sacrifice of the Son of God on the cross for our sins, so that we may be accepted into God's kingdom. Today we see once again the fruits of sacrifice by Mr. Shiu Raj and his family in the opening of this new supermarket. We congratulate him, we thank him, we wish him well, and we hope everybody will have a very happy Easter and a great Resurrection Day, and we have a great day of celebration today. Vinavalevu.